Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today
Seatbelt. Wait. Oh my god.
We are doing
Seatbelt's trapped in the door.
We're doing a random vlog. Just because.
Oh, maybe I can find that parrot again. And we can try and catch it. I found a parrot today. I took a picture of it. Couldn't catch it.
This is just gonna be a vlog about nothing.
I'm starting a new YouTube channel.
You should start a YouTube channel. Cassidy Andy Vlogs.
No, we'll do that with normal channel.
Yeah, obviously.
I'm going to start a new YouTube channel that is just hours and hours of video of me driving around in silence. Trying not to crash because I'm distracted by my own face. But it's no different to having a wind mirror. I mean, this mirror up here. Isn't it?
Yeah, true.
It's just with this mirror I can't watch it back. With this mirror I can.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
we're racing around. This is our town. Woo! It looks so much faster on the camera than it does in real life.
Yeah.
I'm doing 31 miles an hour. It looks like we're going about 90.
Yes.
Anyway, back to our faces. When I was playing with this, testing it this morning,
Yeah.
and I was like, oh look, it's working, and like I could see the in front of me in his mirror looking at me like I was nuts. I'm pretending I was talking to somebody on like Skype using sign language, so that they didn't think I was nuts. That's probably more nuts, isn't it? Oh,
Which Tesco are we going to?
that one right there.
Super random.
One that we can see. Sort of.
No, you can't see the Tesco.
Do we have to blank out people's faces that are out in public?
No.
Let's just zoom in on some people's faces now. No, it's for the parking space. Should we film in Tesco?
No, I think you have to like ask if you're allowed.
Only if you're a nerd. I don't mind going to prison.
Like.
What was your crime, man?
You have.
I filmed myself making puns in Tesco. That's why I'm in prison. Nobody's gonna care.
Yeah, because in videos you can hear people saying you're not allowed to film here and stuff.
Yeah, but they don't know. They're not lawyers. They're just people that work in shops.
So we just got out of Tesco and we bought some biscuits. Yum. See? They're Biscoff Biscuits. And then we bought some spreads. Biscoff spread. Yeah.
Now we're gonna go home and we're gonna put some Biscoff bread on the Biscoff biscuits and see how the Biscoff spread Biscoff biscuits taste.
Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are...
Welcome back. They've just been watching us in the van. Come on.
Welcome
So this vlog has turned
back.
into a taste test. We're in Tesco and we found what's this? Biscoff biscuit spread, which must be new because they had Biscoff Krispy Kreme donuts as well.
Yeah.
And some Biscoff loads of biscuits. So we're going to put some
Spread.
Biscoff spread on the Biscoff biscuits and see how it tastes.
I'm just going to open this fully and then I'm going to smell it. Because people always smell food before they eat it, obviously. Oh yeah.
Oh, this one's broken. The first one is always broken.
I know.
You may recognise these from the coffee shop. You get two with your coffee.
They smell exactly the same.
Oh, and it smells nice though. Yeah, this is just someone up there just popped up some biscuits. Suitable for vegetarians and vegans. No added flavour. So I thought it said flowers, and so I tried to change it to flavours halfway through the word. Flavours. No colours. Yeah, it's like baby food colour. No hydrogenated fats.
Okay, let's spread it.
Oh, look at that.
hot.
Yeah. Taste the lotus. Get into the lotus. There you are. Oh, yes.
You're spreading it out more because you did an awful job. What the heck?
I'm going to have more. I don't think you can never have enough Biscoff spread on your Biscoff biscuit. Alright. Is it going to be good?
Tastes the same.
It's nice though.
Mm-hmm.
It's like eating a biscuit that has a wet biscuit on it. Oh, really nice.
Yeah, although it doesn't taste almost any different.
Shut up, Nyla!
What's she doing?
She's eating this.
Why?
You're supposed to have these Biscoff biscuits with your coffee.
Okay.
I have another one that's really delicious.
Yeah, it was. It is.
I'm amazed. I thought this was going to be a bit grim actually.
Mm.
It's nice. Wasn't expecting to be doing this just now. No one's watched a video this far anyway. They have no idea this is happening. We might get 35 views on this video.
Wow. We're going to be roasting marshmallows later.
Oh. Notice, I'm going to be tweeting you this video. Pay us for advertising. No, you don't have to. Just retweet us. If you have a Twitter. If not, make a Twitter.
Yeah, like they're actually going to see this.
Uh-huh, they will.
Well, yeah. Well, like, if they don't have a Twitter, then how? You know, share it on Facebook. Like, account, if they have an account on Facebook.
Email your shareholders.
Even Facebook has an account on Facebook. Duh.
Does it?
Probably.
Yeah, of course it does. Visit us. Go to the Facebook page. What if the Facebook page has a Facebook page dedicated to the Facebook page? There isn't one. I'm going to make it.
On the Ninja Turtle video that we did, there was like 5,000 views. I was like, wow.
Yeah, some idiots are watching that. Why are you spreading it on the table?
Oops. Mmm. Yes. Where do I put this? Mmm.
Alright, let's go and set fire to the garden and cook some marshmallows.
Okay.
Cool. Bye.